For the following counties in New Jersey, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood advisory for northeastern Warren County and northwestern New Jersey, north central Morris County, southern Sussex County and northwestern New Jersey, east central Monroe County and northeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. That's The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County and northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Hunterdon County and northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County, southeastern Lehigh County and eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County and southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County and southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County and eastern Pennsylvania, east central Berks County and eastern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Green Lane, or 16 miles south of Allentown, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Easton, Bethlehem, Lansdale, Forks, Emos, Quakertown, Percasey, Doylestown, Byram, Wilson, Sauderton, Bedminster, Hellertown, Collegeville, Chalfont, Tinicum, Trapp, Hatfield, East Greenville, and New Hope. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to poor drainage flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren. For the following counties in New Jersey, Morris, Sussex, and Warren.